Is your crypto safe on Coinbase? It's a question a lot of new and even experienced investors ask. The short answer is yes, Coinbase has a ton of built-in security features, but the real question is, are you using them? You see, a fortress is only as strong as its weakest link, and when it comes to your Coinbase account, that weakest link is often, well, you. Not because you're careless, but because cybercriminals are getting smarter every day. They're not trying to break into Coinbase servers, they're trying to trick you into giving them the keys to your account. So let's talk about the best ways to secure your Coinbase account and turn that weak link into a digital steel trap. First and foremost, you need to go beyond the default security settings. Coinbase gives you a lot of options, and SMS text message two-factor authentication is the weakest of the bunch. Why? Because of something called a SIM swap attack. A scammer can trick your phone company into transferring your phone number to their device, and just like that, they get all your text messages, including your 2FA codes. The best solution is to use a security key. It's a physical device you plug into your computer or tap on your phone that's required to log in. This is the gold standard of security. If a security key isn't for you, an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator is the next best thing. These apps generate time-sensitive codes on your device, which are much harder for a hacker to intercept. Next up, your password. I know, you've heard it a million times. But seriously, it needs to be long, complex, and unique. Never, ever reuse a password across different accounts. If you do, and one of those other sites is breached, a hacker has just found the master key to your Coinbase account. If you're not using one already, a password manager is your best friend here. It'll generate and store all your passwords for you so you only have to remember one master password. Finally, think about your email. Your Coinbase account is tied to it, so you need to lock it down just as much. Enable two-factor authentication on your email account, and make sure you're not clicking on any suspicious links. Scammers love to send fake Coinbase emails designed to steal your login credentials. When in doubt, go directly to the Coinbase website to log in, don't use a link from an email. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.